What's up guys, it's your boy John. We're back again here with another video. This is going to be more NSX content, so if you were interested in that, perfect. Alright, for what we have here is going to be the door sills. So I want to keep this car very OEM plus. The last video was kind of about the floor mats, looking clean. But I really want the interior to look a little bit more spicy, so I got the door sills. What are door sills? They're pretty much the piece where you kind of step on to get into the car. Now these are illuminated, so there's gonna be some power. Boom, right here. And so there's some harnesses, and then we have carbon fiber illuminated door sills. Now it's in the space packaging left, so it's probably gonna be the driver's side. And then you got right for the space packaging. For the passenger side. Inside, you got this nice egg crate. Packaging for the NSX parts are insane. Inside, it's nice and green. Alright, so I just want to show you guys the quality of the part if you guys were going to be interested of buying such a expensive part, but hey, only the best for the NSX. You heard? So, oh man, that weave's nice. And you have it kind of filmed here. This is for the left side. So I'm gonna keep the protective cover on. I mean, this is something you'll step on, but for now, I'll keep it a little bit more minty. All right, so this should technically go right here, but this will require you to cut the carpet. So that's one thing that's kind of lame. It's the only way these clips can go on it. So it's nice and secure. Alrighty then. First you want to do is at least open your door. Then I kind of have things already kind of pulled out, but pull out this seal. It just comes straight out. Then you can pull the carpet out. You'll see the screw, unscrew it. Ouch. So it is pretty pointy. Let's see if I can do it one hand. Remove this bad boy. And this is on the right side of the car. And then after that, you'll see that there's this this black tape. Take off the black tape, and it will reveal a plug. And this is the plug you're going to use to power the door sill. So, the door sill gets plugged into a harness, and you'll have these little two small pins. And then you plug it in. So now it illuminates. Sick. Your next step is, well, after you find out that it lights up beautifully. I don't know if I can get that in the sun. But you can tell it's lighting up now. Now you want to cut these little things right here, so it'll match these little pots, and you should be set. Alright, second piece is cut. I put these little plastic things just so the little things don't splatter all over the place. Same with this door, I was cutting with a Dremel. But you can use a needle nose, and then you just gotta pull this thing out. Alright, so after you trimmed all the stuff, which basically is the plastic underneath, like there's a little template. You should have something like this, and then this also has a little pivot point right here, or a little I guess bounce. So I put a little hole right there, and now she should be sitting flush. Make sure the wire is out of the way, tucked in, and then push in. All right, and the package does come with this aluminum tape. So I cut it in half so it looks something like this.
And per the instructions right here, I have it so it's taped. You see the metal tape right here on the wire and that little channel. And you just have to install everything in reverse and zip tie all these wires back together. All right, and on the driver's side, it's pretty much the same as the passenger side, except the wire you need to plug in. First, you have to remove this big old one. See if I can get an angle. So you can kind of see this is the wire I'm tugging at, and that's where it's gonna be. I had to remove the white. That's not the best angle. I had to remove this, and then you can see where it's plugged in.
All right, that concludes the door sill carbon fiber illuminated OEM factory option for the, or dealer option for the NSX. It is beautiful for sure. Is it worth it? I'll leave it to you guys. It does give that interior a nice bit of class and more in of occasion. Of course, you can see my premium mats too, just making the interior just nice, a good spot to be. And then when you close it, let's see if I can show you guys, it is still lit right there. If you can see the word NSX kind of facing outwards. And if you lock the door, it undoes itself or unlights itself. Lock, unlock, you see it, and then lock. It kind of fades out. Super nice touch. Awesome product, Honda. You guys charge way too much. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.